Hold on to your hats, folks. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's writing poems, composing music, and even diagnosing illnesses.
But can a computer truly compete with the human brain? Let's find out. Imagine a grand showdown. In one corner we have AI, a digital dazzler with terabytes of data. In the other corner we have us, flawed, funny, brilliant humans. Who will win?
It's time to pit human against machine in a battle of skill and creativity. First, we'll explore the world of art. Can an algorithm capture the soul of a painting? Next, we'll head to the comedy club. Can AI tickle our funny bones? Finally, we'll enter the kitchen. Can a computer create a culinary masterpiece?
Get ready for the ultimate showdown, AI versus human. Let's start with art. Imagine a beautiful landscape painting. The sky is ablaze with color. A lone tree stands on a hill. This could be the work of a human artist. Or it could be created by AI.
Programs like DALL-E 2 can generate incredibly realistic images from text descriptions. But is it art? Some say AI lacks the emotional depth of a human artist. A human artist pours their heart and soul into their work. They use their experiences to create something unique and meaningful. Can an algorithm truly replicate that?
Can an algorithm truly replicate that?
Next up, comedy. Stand-up comedy is a true test of wit and timing. A good comedian can have the audience in stitches. But can AI do the same?
ChatGPT is an AI language model. It can generate human-like text. It can even tell jokes. However, comedy is about more than just words. It's about delivery, timing, and understanding what makes people laugh. It's about connecting with the audience on a human level. Can AI truly understand humor?
Can AI truly understand humor?
Let's move on to the kitchen. Cooking is a delicate art. It requires precision, creativity, and a dash of intuition. AI recipe generators are becoming increasingly popular. They can create personalized recipes based on your dietary needs and preferences.
But can an algorithm replicate the flair of a human chef? A human chef doesn't just follow recipes, they experiment, they improvise, they add their own personal touch. Can AI truly master the art of cooking?
So who wins the ultimate showdown? AI is a powerful tool. It can create art, tell jokes, and even cook a decent meal. However, AI lacks the human touch.
Humans bring empathy, creativity, and critical thinking to the table. We can connect with each other on an emotional level. We can understand nuance and context.
In the end, it's not about AI versus human. It's about AI and human. AI can augment human capabilities and help us to achieve amazing things. But it's our humanity that makes us truly special.